Yo guys, welcome back. It's me, Kenwilboy. In this video, we are going to talk about when to buy and when to sell in Forex trading. This is one of the questions that I get asked the most. So when to buy and when to sell. If you don't know me, I'm Kenwilboy, CMO of Fortunomarkets and a certified technical analyst with over 10 years of experience in the financial markets. Okay, so let's begin. When to buy and when to sell? The answer is actually it depends. It depends on which strategies are you using. Is it strategy support or resistance, or is it supply and demand? Is it smart money concept? It depends. Every strategy have their own style. Maybe in one strategy it's time to sell, but in another strategy it's time to buy. So it really depends. But in this video, I'm going to tell you about one strategy that is the most popular, very popular, and I think it's very easy for beginners to learn, but also very effective. So it's popular, effective, but it's quite easy, especially for beginners. Okay, so yeah, let's begin. So when to buy or when to sell? Okay, this strategy is called support and resistance. So you buy or you sell after the support or the resistance has been broken, like this. If you don't know what is support or resistance, support is in an imaginary bottom floor, an imaginary floor where price tends to bounce up if it reaches the support level, and resistance is an imaginary ceiling when price tends to bounce down when it touches the resistance level. So what you can see here, this is resistance, yeah, because it's an imaginary upper ceiling. See, there is a resistance here, resistance level, and there is also another resistance here. See here. So what I'm going to do is I want to open a buy position, or I want to buy when the market breaks through a resistance level. See, as you can see here, this is a very good example. You see, the market goes up again, the resistance is touched, it bounces around on the resistance area, and eventually it goes up again and break through the resistance level. See, after it breaks the resistance level, what I would do is I would open a buy position, or I would buy any asset. Right now I'm showing you the example in XAU USD or gold, but it works in any assets regardless, so you don't need to worry. Stocks, crypto, Forex, anything. So here, I would like to open a buy position here. If I can rewind time, I would open a buy position here. Okay, here, I will show you. Here is a good time for you to buy. And here is a good time for you to close the position. Why? Because after you buy, of course, you need to set your TP and SL, right? TP is take profit, SL is stop loss. And if you're using support and resistance, you set the TP on the next support or resistance level. So the next support or resistance is here. The strong one, I mean not the weak one. You need to find the next strong support or strong resistance. So you buy here until the next strong resistance. And the next strong resistance is here. See? Around this price. Around 2780 or something like that. 2780, yeah. Take a look at the numbers on the right. 2785, yeah. So what I would do if in situation like this, I would open a position in around $2720. This is I would open a position here, 2720, and I would close the position here at around 2750. Probably, yeah, 27 or 2750, yeah, something around there. 2750, yeah, something around, or 2780. Sorry, 2780. This is what I would do. I open at 2720 and I close on 2780. The reason behind it is because 2720 here, the resistance is being broken, so I would open a buy position, and 2780 is the next strong resistance. Of course, now because it's in the past, you can see that the price broke the next resistance, but I wouldn't take that bet. It's too risky. For me, the next support or the next resistance, I'm good. I'm out. So regardless it's breaking or not, I don't care. Because most of the time, on the next support or resistance, a strong one, usually the price tends to bounce down, like here. See, when it touch the resistance, or the term is retest, when it retests the resistance level, it bounces back down. See here, if I take profit at around 2780, yeah, 2780, I would have taken profit maybe here, yeah, not here, maybe here, and I'm good. Like, I no longer worry. You see, if I'm being greedy and I keep on holding my buy position, see, during this downward movement, I'll be shaking, nervous, because I'm scared that the price would go back to my entry price. If that happens, I would close my position. I wouldn't risk losing money. Better close at break even. But here, if I'm not being greedy, but being, what do you call it? If I'm being disciplined and not greedy, I better close here at 280. Or maybe here also, it's okay. It's not bad, 2780. If you're a bit late here, you can close it again here, no problem. But please, don't wish that the price would break through the second resistance level, because this is the first in the bottom and this one is the second. In trading, you don't make that kind of wish, like fingers crossed. No, don't do that. It's gambling, not trading. If you're always betting your luck, taking high risk trade, no, don't do that. You need to be disciplined and systematic if you want to make money in trading, either Forex or crypto, anything. You need to be disciplined and systematic. Pay attention to the risk management, stop loss, TP. And oh yeah, by the way, stop loss. I've talked about the TP. The question is now, where should I put the stop loss? So it's easy. You just calculate what is the range of the TP from the opening price to the TP. As you can see here, the range is $60 from 2720 to 2780, so $60. In gold, it means that $60 is 6,000 points, because there is 2 decimal points behind the dollars. See here, 2720.00 to 2780.00. So there's $60 difference, or 6,000 points difference. So the way you calculate your stop loss is you just divide that by half. So your TP is 6,000 points, so you set your stop loss at 3,000 points, no problem. That's what I would do, and that's what most professional traders do. Like, they calculate, if they're using support and resistance, they will calculate the TP first. Then after they know the TP, they calculate the range from opening price to the TP. If it's, let's say, 1,000 points, so you set the stop loss at 500. If it's 2,000 points, you set the stop loss at half of it, means 1,000. If it's like this, 6,000 points, it means you set the stop loss at 3,000. And it's the way around. So you will have a good risk to reward ratio. The risk is 1 and the reward is 2. 1 to 2. Or the risk is 3,000 points and the reward is 6,000 points. So it's 1 to 2. Risk to reward ratio. Okay, now you understand. If you follow this method and be consistent and disciplined, you can make money for sure. A lot of traders has been making a lot of money with this strategy. Me too. I learned this strategy back then, but I still use support and resistance up till now. After more than 10 years trading, I'm still using this. Like, it will never get sold. It's been used by a lot of professional traders for tens of years. So it's not created by me, no. It has been used even before I was born. It's very popular already around the world. So how about where should I trade? Where do I trade? I trade on fortunomarkets. See, if you want to start trading, I would also recommend fortunomarkets as your broker, because fortunomarkets is currently one of the best broker in the world. They have very low spread, very low fees, instant deposit withdrawal, and they have all the markets. They have a lot of instruments like crypto, Forex, gold, stocks, you name it, they have it all. The instruments is complete. I think they have the most instruments out of any other brokers. So yeah, fortunomarkets is good and they're safe. They're a big and reliable company. They have been operating in more than 20 countries. Yeah, so I think this is the fortunomarkets is really good. You need to try it. And if you are an affiliate too, their affiliate program is top notch. I think one of the best with one of the highest IB rebate. Yeah, That's it for my video. If you want to ask any question, please don't hesitate to comment in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and peace out.